Minimalist kitchen design is no longer just a trend. It has become a practical approach to living comfortably in compact apartment spaces. When every square inch matters, the way a kitchen is arranged, furnished, and styled can make a huge difference. A smart minimalist kitchen focuses on efficiency, clarity, and comfort, creating a space that looks stylish while remaining functional for everyday cooking and living. Instead of cluttered countertops and oversized cabinets, the goal is to combine simplicity with thoughtful design choices that work in real life. Understanding the principles of minimalist kitchen design. Minimalism is not about removing everything or creating a space that feels empty. Instead, it emphasizes intentional choices. Every item in the kitchen should serve a purpose, whether functional or aesthetic. Clean lines, neutral tones, and simple geometry are commonly used to create a calm and orderly environment. In small apartment kitchens, this approach helps prevent visual chaos. Too many colors, patterns, or decorations can make the space feel cramped. Minimalism counteracts that by focusing on balance and proportion. The kitchen feels lighter, more spacious, and more welcoming, even if the actual size is limited. Another key principle is organization. Storage is carefully planned so that everyday tools remain accessible without dominating the room. Drawers, hooks, shelves, and modular cabinets allow items to be stored neatly while keeping the working area free from clutter. Optimizing layout for space efficiency. The layout is the backbone of any functional kitchen, especially in apartments where the space is narrow or irregular. A smart minimalist kitchen prioritizes movement flow. Cooking, washing, and food preparation should be easy and efficient. The most common layouts for small apartments include the single-wall kitchen, galley kitchen, and L-shaped kitchen. Each can be optimized using minimalist concepts. A single-wall kitchen benefits from vertical storage and built-in appliances to reduce unused gaps. Meanwhile, a galley kitchen should maintain balance between the two sides to avoid visual heaviness. In L-shaped kitchens, the corner area can become a valuable workspace or storage zone if used properly. The goal isn't just to place appliances inside the room, but to arrange them in a way that feels harmonious and comfortable to use, even in a small footprint. Choosing furniture and appliances that support minimalist living. Furniture and appliances play a significant role in shaping the character of a minimalist kitchen. Large and bulky items can overwhelm the space, so compact and multifunctional options are generally preferred. Slim profile cabinets, floating shelves, and foldable tables help keep the room open and flexible. Multi-purpose furniture, such as a dining bar that also functions as a prep station, allows the kitchen to adapt to different needs without crowding the area. Appliances should also match the minimalist concept. Integrated or built-in appliances create a seamless appearance, eliminating unnecessary visual breaks. When possible, choose energy-efficient and space-saving devices designed for urban living. This keeps the kitchen practical, modern, and aligned with the theme of smart functionality. Color, lighting, and materials for a calm, modern atmosphere. Colors and materials play a huge role in shaping the mood of a minimalist kitchen. Soft neutral tones such as white, beige, light gray, or muted earth colors help the space feel larger and brighter. These shades provide a clean backdrop while allowing textures, such as wood or stone, to stand out naturally. Lighting is equally important. Natural light should always be maximized when available, while artificial lighting should be layered thoughtfully. Under-cabinet lighting, subtle ceiling fixtures, and warm illumination help create depth without overwhelming the room. Materials such as matte finishes, smooth surfaces, and natural wood accents contribute to a balanced modern aesthetic. Rather than being decorative for decoration's sake, these elements enhance practicality while maintaining a warm and welcoming feel. Decluttering and smart storage as a daily habit. Minimalist design works best when supported by everyday habits. A small kitchen can quickly appear messy if items are left out unnecessarily. That is why storage solutions and organization systems are essential. Drawer organizers, hidden compartments, labeled jars, and modular storage boxes make it easier to keep things tidy. Frequently used items can remain within reach, while rarely used tools should be stored away. Decluttering is not a one-time activity. It is a continuous process. The fewer unnecessary objects in the kitchen, the more open and breathable the space will feel. Minimalism encourages intentional ownership, keeping what is truly useful and meaningful. Personal touch without overcrowding the space. Even though minimalist design emphasizes simplicity, it does not mean removing personality from the room. A kitchen should still reflect the lifestyle and character of the person who uses it. The key is adding subtle, meaningful touches instead of excessive decoration. A single plant on the countertop, a warm wooden cutting board on display, or a carefully chosen wall art piece can give the kitchen character without disrupting the minimalist harmony. Texture, natural materials, and thoughtful accessories help maintain warmth while keeping the space refined and uncluttered, creating a kitchen that feels practical, comfortable, and stylish. A smart minimalist kitchen in a small apartment is not just about aesthetics. It is about creating a space that truly works for everyday living. When function and style are balanced, the kitchen becomes more than a cooking area. It turns into a comfortable corner of the home where activities feel relaxed, organized, and enjoyable. Through careful layout planning, thoughtful furniture selection, smart storage, and intentional design choices, even the smallest kitchen can feel modern, spacious, and full of character. Minimalism proves that simplicity, when designed with purpose, can deliver both beauty and practicality in one cohesive space.